Hey food fam, welcome back to another video. Today we are making chicken lo mein. Guys, oh my gosh, just look at that. That is amazing. You are going to want the recipe for this. And I'm going to give it to you. I had some leftover chicken in my fridge that I was like, I need to use this up because I need to do a food run. I had some noodles, some veg, and I was like, let's make chicken lo mein. So if you want to see this beautiful dish, if you want to know how I make it, make sure you subscribe and let's get into the video.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
For this recipe, I am using chicken. Now, when it comes to chicken, I've decided to go with the chicken breast because I've noticed that it gives off a much better texture and it's so much quicker to cook. But feel free to use the protein of your choice because God knows if I had shrimp, I would have used that too. When it comes to the marinade, my thing is be as free and as generous as you want. Today, because I'm making a small batch, I'm being a bit more careful with the quantity I'm using. But if you're cooking for more, be generous, as once it's done, it's done. But if you do end up with some leftover sauce, store it in the fridge or freezer. That's the beauty of cooking. The reason why I love this recipe is because it's so quick and so easy to make, and it doesn't require that many ingredients. Honestly, you can put whatever you like inside. It's pretty much the sauce that gives it its name. Did you know that in English, chow mein means fried noodles and lo mein translates to tossed or stirred noodles? Because both dishes are variations of noodles, the main difference in chow mein and lo mein lies in how the noodles are prepared. Instead of getting stir-fried, the lo mein ingredients are lightly mixed and tossed, and that's what I'm making here, chicken lo mein. And there you have it, guys. Here's my delicious chicken lo mein recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye!